A very good morning, class 9 IT Patines. Today we will be starting our computer class with chapter 7 or unit 7 we can say, which is a part of B group. Earlier we have read chapter 1 and 2 which were from part A. Now I'll be starting up a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Data Entry and Keyboarding Skills. Actually this chapter is practically based chapter, and in this chapter actually from now onwards you need to start writing your notes yourself. I'll help you out in that by giving markings like that have given here. You need to follow that markings that are given and the highlighted words that are given in the paragraphs to prepare your notes. Okay, so markings have created, like from this paragraph you need to prepare notes in the form of bullets. It means the important points you need to write in form of bullets using these highlighted lines only. Okay, like that. So first, then afterwards you need to go second, then from third batch that will end up here. Fourth, these points are to be written in your notebook. Then fifth, you need to draw this particular diagram. Then sixth, these steps you need to write. Okay, then seventh, you need to draw this diagram. Fine. Eighth, to write these points in your notebook. Then ninth, then afterwards you need to write these points in your notebook. Then afterwards this 10th means these details you need to write in your notebook. Okay, and then afterwards you will draw this diagram. Okay, in between nothing is to be written in your notebook, but the markings that have created should be covered in your notebook properly. There should not be any mismanagement in that. Fine, so prepare your notes properly. Okay, I'll give the PDF of this particular chapter. Okay, you can see it, you can mark it in your book and start preparing your notes from today only. Okay, and on next Monday, coming Monday, there will be test of chapter 1, so do revise that also. Don't miss out the practice of that chapter also. Fine, so let us start our chapter. Before I start teaching you, I just want to add one thing more, that this is a software based chapter and the name of the software is Rapid Typing Touch software. Okay, so this software is available on a particular site. I'll add a video along with this video that will help you to download that software from the given website. Okay, this is a very small video and very easy. It's very easy to download that software in your laptop or your desktop. Okay, so you need to follow those instructions that are shown in the video and your software will be downloaded very easily, and using that software you can practice. Actually this particular chapter will help you to improve your speed on the keyboard keys without looking down. Means it will help you to position your fingers, thumb in such a position that whatever you need to type can be typed very speedily.